Alright, the beginning of this video is just to show you the kind of battle you're going to go through if you decide to do the polishing like me. You get your tools, you get your rouges, you get your papers, your polishing cloths, your battery chargers for your various tools, your electric tools, your more polishes and buffers, more batteries on charge, and then this here, which is only in probably stage 2. It's got one more stage to go, let's say. And you know what this looked like right at the beginning. It's getting there. It's got a few scuff marks on it that I want to deal with. And what have I got in there at the moment? Yeah, that's the white rouge pad and the white rouge there. You can see the state you're going to get in doing this, but it is so satisfying. I mean, I'm still working on the side here. I haven't obviously got into the corner there, and I haven't even attempted the little crevices. And this side I haven't even touched, really. I mean, yeah, I've been over it once with a quick sand, but that's about it. And the same up here. But this just kind of shows you really the results you can achieve with some basic tools, you know, nothing too expensive, some Harbor Freight pads and some rouge that you can buy online, which is not ridiculously expensive. In fact, you can pick it up from Harbor Freight, but I just like these big blocks because I've got I'm lucky, I bought myself a buffer here. So, you know, this is to polish up anything I need to polish up. I tried doing this on there, but it's so big and cumbersome, so it's easier to do it here. Although I do some of it over there. Alright, I just wanted to show you that and say this is the kind of crap you're going to get into. Hope you enjoy it. I do. Gosh, look at my bench. It's an absolute fucking mess. My bench is never like this. My bench is normally tidy. Gosh. In fact, my whole garage is a mess at the moment. Too many things going on. Time for a big tidy up tomorrow. It's time for paint. I've finished polishing the head. I'm still working on the cam covers, but I want to progress on the head. I've now masked up the head ready for painting. This, as you can see, is a cast area that gets painted. Obviously down inside here gets painted, and these are all old spark plugs, well, apart from this one, which is brand new, but I don't care because it's not for this vehicle. And also the back, the other side, the exhaust side, and the inlet side. This is the exhaust side, of course, and you can see all the silver parts. Those are parts that will be painted. So let's get on and start painting it. I'm probably going to give it quite a few coats. I have decided in the end of the day not to worry about these. I'm just going to paint over them. I believe that's the way it was originally done. I believe. Just like Frank Highfield, I think it was, that said, I believe. Something about for every drop of rain that falls, a flower grows. Yeah, something along those lines. One of my parents' songs. How am I expected to remember? Ask me a Beatles song, I'll remember that. Alright, so next is start spraying. See what a mess I can make. Here she is, ready to be painted. Fully masked up and ready to rock and roll. Not much to do along these sides. Biggest portion will be down the middle there, getting that looking nice. I just went to use my can of paint that I purchased. Unfortunately it coughed and spluttered and didn't want to work, so I've contacted S&G Barrett, sent them a video clip as I happened to be videoing at the time, and asked them to send me a replacement for the defective one that I got. We will see if they do that. I'm sure they will.